So today we continue with polysaccharides. Polysaccharide is the third type of carbohydrate. It forms from chains or hundreds of monosaccharides. It does not taste sweet and does not crystallize. The example of polysaccharide are cellulose, a structure of cell wall in plants, starch, main storage in plants, and glycogen as main storage in animal cells. We continue with content standard 4.3. 4.3 is about protein. Here we have cheese. Cheese contains protein. So, protein also organic compounds because it contains carbon. Other than that, it contains hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and phosphorus. The monomer of proteins are amino acids or the basic unit. Amino acid combined with another amino acid by condensation will form dipeptide. Dipeptide means two amino acids combination, and this will produce water. Dipeptide, when we add with water, can be hydrolyzed into amino acids and amino acids. And the third one is polypeptide, mean polypeptide contain of 50 and thousands of amino acids that link together, means more than 2. Dipeptide 2. Poly means more than 2, 50 or until thousands of amino acids. Why we need to eat more protein? Because protein build new cells, repair damaged tissues, and synthesize enzymes, antibody, hormones, and hemoglobin. Hemoglobin can be found in red blood cell. Red blood cell will transport oxygen in the form of oxyhemoglobin to our cells. Okay, I hope you understand this topic very well. Here we have an oil. And oil is one type of lipids. Our next content standard 4.4 lipids. Lipids are also organic compounds, contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There are a few types of lipids. The first one, fats and oils. Fats and oils we can use another word, triglycerides. Okay, what is triglyceride? This is the molecule of triglyceride, formed from one molecule of glycerol and 3 molecules of fatty acids. That's why we call tri. 1, 2, 3. By condensation, we'll form 1 molecule of triglyceride and 3 molecules of water. Triglyceride, when we add with water, can be hydrolyzed back into fatty acids and glycerol. There are 2 types of fatty acids. First, saturated fat and unsaturated fats. Both contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Both contain glycerol and fatty acids, and they are non-polar molecules. Now, what are the differences between saturated and unsaturated fats? Here, look at this. Saturated fats have single bonds between carbon. Fatty acids have double bond between carbon. Saturated fat do not form chemical bonds with additional hydrogen atoms. And double bond can still receive 1 more additional hydrogen atoms. Saturated fat is solid in room temperature, but unsaturated fat is liquid like this in room temperature. Example of saturated fat are butter and animal fat, and unsaturated fats, example olive and fish oil. Another type of lipids is wax. It is waterproof and formed from 1 molecule of alcohol and another molecule of fatty acid. It covers epidermis of leaves and produces sebum by skin. Next, phospholipid. It is components of plasma membrane. We have learned this in chapter 3. Okay, this is phospholipid by layer. Okay, Then the next one, steroids. Steroids does not contain fatty acids. The example is cholesterol, testosterone, progesterone, and estrogen. Why we need lipids? Because it is reserve energy in animals. Then it can protect internal organ like heart and become heat insulator. Hope you understand this. Thank you.